How to play Jain Dominoes game. You can play individually or in teams of 2 to 4 players. Mix tiles facing down. Each player picks 7 tiles and keeps them hidden. The player with the highest doubles plays first. Players take turns connecting, matching open ends of tiles. Tiles can be placed in a straight line or at right angles. Tiles must match the number with an open end of a previously played tile. Tile number 0 can only match other tile number 0 unless made wild. Pick a tile from the draw pile if you can't play. Play it immediately if possible or add it to your hand. Doubles numbered tiles are placed perpendicular to other dominoes. First player to use all their tiles wins the round. Add up numbers on remaining tiles in each player's hand. The winner gets these points. The first player to get 100 points wins the game. For more such interesting and fun Jain games, visit shrutgyan.com.